everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I want to give you an African way of saying goodbye to tiredness. Okay, this has been used numerous times, and for Africans we literally just use it, for that, and it has actually been helping. It's actually been there, it's actually been supportive, it's actually been saying goodbye to tiredness. Okay, so this is actually good for the female and also for the male. Yeah, so it is not just for one person, and you're gonna be loving it. It's gonna be good, it's gonna be okay guys, so if you want to know what is the ingredients, to continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Now let me take you right into the video. So guys, this would actually help you to end tiredness. If you're always tired, you'd have to make this drink quickly and then you take it. Okay, it's gonna end that quick thing, and it's going to end every tiredness. Okay, all right, so you're gonna be needing to use this, and this is ginger. Ginger helps so much in flushing out toxins in the body. It helps for tiredness, it helps for cold, flu and catarrh and dizziness. Yeah, it actually helps to activate you and make you pretty strong. Now mixing it with these other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you is going to make this ingredient work really well. So the very first thing we're going to do is try to peel this up. Ginger has a lot of branches here and there, so it's kind of difficult for me to just scrape it, so I just have to peel it just like this. Alright guys, so now I'll have to wash it. And after washing this, then I'll have to cut it. Now when you're using it, you don't have to take too much of the ginger. Just in a little quantity is going to be okay. And then I would have to grab a blender, and then I'll turn it into the blender. Then we're equally going to be needing to use pear. This is pear, this is not avocado. I know some people are going to say, oh, this is avocado and stuff. This is not avocado, this is just pear. Alright, so pear helps so much to activate this drink, makes you really strong and give you that strength, stop all tiredness. Okay, so we're going to be washing it, and I'm going to be taking just a little of this. Alright, so after preparing it, then I'll have to cut it into pieces. Okay guys, so after doing that, then I have to turn it into a blender. So I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water in this to blend it out. Okay guys, so we're done blending the ginger and the pear. Now I'll have to grab my cup, get a strainer, and then strain it out. For some people, I know that some people would love to drink it without straining it. You're free to do that. For me personally, I would strain it out, and that's why you see me strain out. So anyone you prefer guys, you can just go ahead with it. Okay, it mustn't be this particular strain one, but most of the time I love straining out my juice so I can just drink just the juice. Right, so this is the pear and the ginger. I'm gonna be keeping that aside now, and then we're equally going to be needing to use lemon. Now if you want to end any tiredness guys, you have to consider using lemon, and for this you would have to use a half of lemon. So I have this half lemon that I've previously used the half, so I'm gonna be squeezing in this half because lemon nowadays has a lot of juice in it. So I'm gonna be squeezing it out. You would have to mix them together. Here we have 3 ingredients. It's remaining just one. So let me bring up the one ingredient, and this is it. So this is our almighty watermelon, great for tiredness and great for body rejuvenation. Can actually help to rejuvenate you and prevent you from being unnecessarily tired. Wow, so we have our ripe watermelon. So now what we're going to do now is that we're going to be blending this watermelon plus the seed. So the seed is going to be inclusive in blending the watermelon. So we're not actually going to be removing the seeds. Alright guys, so after that then we're going to be putting it into the blender. Okay guys, so after that is done, then I would have to sieve it out also. Just like I said earlier, if you want to take it with the fiber, you're free to go guys. Okay, your fruit to take it with the fiber. Hey guys, so this is watermelon. These are the 3 ingredients, and I'm gonna be turning it into the watermelon. Go. So this is the end of tiredness. This is the end of it. So you don't have to face any tiredness whatsoever. What you need to do is just continue being you, continue being strong, you know, and be very, very active. So you have to drink this. You can drink this morning, afternoon, and night, because all of the ingredients are actually very great. Now that is going to be for the first 3 days. For the first 3 days, you drink it morning, afternoon, and night. Subsequently, it has to be once in a day, or anytime you want to get down low. Anytime you want to get down low. Okay, do you understand me? Of course I know you do. So go try this out, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it, because all of the ingredients in here are very natural, and I am going to be enjoying this particular one. But the only thing I can't take right now is the lemon. Okay, but go ahead and give this a go. Go ahead and give this a try. You're going to be loving it, and it's going to be very, very effective for you. So that's it. Go make this, go drink this, go saying goodbye to those tiredness, those weakness, that's, you know, habits of not wanting to, you know, when you want to do, you know, all of that. Just mix those natural things together and have yourself come back to life, you know, and be very, very, very strong, you know, literally. So this is gonna be helping so much. So that's it. If you do love it, don't forget to thumbs up. And this is very healthy also. It also works for the body's health, and it keeps you fit. It keeps you healthy, and it keeps you fit too. Okay, so that's it. If you do love it, guys, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys, and bye.